Macala ngiyakutshela no macala ngisajosi no macala khona nomntwana bavele bangihlengise ngayo bavele bangisendela ipic yakhe kanti vele ufike nje no macala uvele wafike nje no macala ubona nomntana ushisa kanje yambona nomntana uhamba ngamathopha
dog this girl is very beautiful man hey wish I was the one who's dating her so listen wait is this your girlfriend or your crush
macala imedium no macala kanti mangithi imedi ngichaza ukuthi ungafana
I'm Titi Kaka, and I'm Titi Kaka.
I know what Ikaka.
I Titi Kaka.
Yes, any boy.
she's gonna hurt you
So hit a bomb. So hit a bomb. Yabona lokho elimangama la estrategy abantu bajika nami left and right and center
uma lento ekhulumayo nawe inkinga yakho into ngapha inhleke
hayi